Okay, this video is meant to demonstrate the pairing of one of our school iPads with these temperature probes by Pasco. This is the app here, SparkVue. So we're going to open that. We are going to use the probes. So we're going to use sensor data. Put that aside for a second. And now we're going to go ahead and turn on the probes. Just push the power button a single time until you see the battery light turn on. You'll notice on the iPad, after we've turned them on, after we've turned the probes on, these temperature probe, they show up. So they show up according to their serial number. But basically what you want to do is select them all. So select them one at a time, and it will connect with them. And then as you add more, it's going to make a suggestion about what kind of data table you would like to, would make most sense for collecting the data. And we want to use digits. You can have a live bar graph, which is really cool. You can have a live bar graph with the input output XY data. You can do both. You can have the digits plus the live bar graph. We will just want to, for our purposes for this experiment, we're going to have the kids eventually make a graph from the data, and so we're just going to collect digits. You can see the temperatures are reading really wrong right now. They're reading 0 degrees Celsius, and we're going to fix that up pretty easily here. We're going to go into each probe, and let's say I wanted this 049015 to be my upper left-hand corner. I'm going to touch on 049015, and just for the sake of using a common language with our students, I'm going to use Fahrenheit. And now I'll do that for each one. This next one is 049214, so I have to find 214. And then the third one ends in 921, so I have to find 921. 921 is right there, select Fahrenheit. And finally, the last one is 245, 245, select Fahrenheit again. And now, still reading 0, but as soon as I touch that start button, it's going to live log the data. So we can see the temperature of the room right now. You can see they're all within about 1/10 of a degree of each other. And that's basically it. And you want to end it. You just hit the stop button. And if you wanted to restart it, you could just start it again and it would live record once again the temperatures. It changes the color of the digits, but the order of the digits is still in the same position. They're all in the same position. So again, when you're done, you just hit the stop button, and then you're gonna hold down the power button on each one of the wireless probes until the battery light lights up, and then you know you've powered them down. And that's it.